Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all for today's session on isometric projection. The problem statement goes like this: a square prism, base side 40 mm, height 50 mm, is placed centrally on a cylindrical slab of diameter 100 mm and thickness 30 mm. Draw the isometric projection of the combination. Before I draw the isometric combination, the first thing is I'll draw the top view of whatever is given in the problem. So what I'll do is I have a cylindrical slab of 100 mm. So with the help of a scale, I'll just draw a circle of 100 mm. Just draw a circle of 100 mm. So the diameter is 100 mm. That means I have a radius of 50 mm. I'm going to draw a radius. Take the radius of 50 mm. So I place it somewhere. Draw the diameter of a circle of 100 mm. And also, this is the diameter of that circle. I have one 40 mm square prism here. 40 placed centrally, that means 20 above and 20 below. So I'm going to draw a square prism of 20 above and 20 below. So when I see this in the top view, the diagram look like this. I have a cylindrical slab of 100 mm diameter, and the thickness of this cylindrical slab is 30 mm. Then I have a square prism of 40 mm side, and its height is 50 mm. But when I see this whole thing from the top view, I can just see a circle as well as a square which is placed centrally. Then I cannot, in this 30-degree line, what it is I cannot draw a circle directly. For which what we are going to do is, initially what I'm going to draw is a square block. Is a square block. Whatever in the isometric view I'm going to do, it is with the help of the square blocks. Always in the isometric projection, yesterday whatever we had taken, it was like I'm starting from a corner. So in a circle, I don't have a corner. So I have to start from a corner where this circle I have converted to a square block of 100 mm. The diameter of this is 100 mm. So I'm going to start with this point. The isometric projection will always start from this point. So what I'm going to do is, initially I'm going to draw a square block of 100 mm to draw a cylinder. And the circle in these 30-degree lines, whatever I have, in that the circle will be converted to a ellipse. Circle will be converted to ellipse. So I cannot draw a circle directly. I have to convert the circle to the ellipse in those isometric lines. So now what I'm going to do is, initially wherever I have a cylinder, all those cylinder, whatever diameter I have, of that diameter, I'm going to draw a square block. Of that diameter, I'm going to draw a square block. So let me turn the page. So this is my isometric projection. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to draw a square block of 100 mm. So let me hold somewhere some point here on this. So it is 100 this side and 100 this side. I'm just going to count the number of blocks. I'm not going to use a scale. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is my second point. So let me go this side. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is my third point. So next is I have to come on this line. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've got 4 points, that is the corners of a square, which I'll be joining all those 4 corners with the help of a pencil, that is with the help of a continuous line. Okay. Now I have converted a square block of that hemisphere, whatever I have, which was a circle. I have drawn a square block now. And a circle in this isometric projection will be converted to an ellipse. So now I have to draw the ellipse, for which I need to find out the midpoints. So what I'm going to do is, from this corner, from one corner, I'm going to draw a line joining the midpoint of the opposite edge. I'm going to join the opposite edge. So the midpoint of this opposite edge is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the midpoint, the opposite edge. Similarly, I have one more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I'm going to do is to convert the ellipse. What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line from such that I'm bisecting the opposite edge. I'm bisecting the opposite edge. I'm drawing a line from here, from one side of the corner to the opposite edge. Similarly, from this side of the corner to the opposite edge, I'm going to draw a line. So I've started from one corner. The same I'll be doing it from the other side of the corner, that is this side. This below I have done, I'm be doing for the top. Where I'm starting from the corner, it is going to bisect the opposite edge. So the bisecting means it is exactly at the center, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why I'm counting 5? Because the total length of this is 100 mm. I've drawn 10 blocks. So exactly bisecting this line means it is the 5th block. So from here, from this end, I'm going to join the opposite edge. Similarly, I'm going to do the same exactly at the midpoint, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the midpoint which I'm going to join it. Okay, once I have done this, now with the help of the compass, now on the radius as the line what I have drawn, the radius as the line what I have drawn now, with the corner, from the corner where I have started as the center, I have drawn to bisect the opposite edge. That is the radius. I'm going to draw the arc. I'm going to draw the arc such that it meets the other side of the line which we have drawn. I'm going to draw the arc such that it meets the other side of the line what I have drawn. Okay. Similarly, with the corner somewhere as the center, the opposite corner as the center, and the line what I have drawn as the radius. I'm going to draw the arc such that it meets the other side of the line, such that it meets the other side of the line. So I have drawn two arcs now, that is from the corner radius as the arc what I have drawn, radius as the line which I have drawn as the radius. I'm drawing the arc. On a similar case, other end with the corner as the center, I'm drawing the arc such a way that it is going to the other side of the arc. Then I'm going to join from the midpoint. I'm going to join from the midpoint. This is my midpoint of this arc, and this new line what I have drawn as the radius. With this new line as a radius, I'm going to draw the arc such that it meets the other side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw an arc. I'm going to draw the arc from this point as a center, and this is the radius. I'm going to draw the arc here. On the similar ground, I'm going to take it on the other side. The arc length will be same, it will not change. With the same length, I'm going to draw the arc from this end to the other side. From this end to the other side. From this end to the other side. Okay, is it clear, everyone? So now I have drawn the bottom circle which we had, the bottom base of a cylinder. It has been drawn, converted the circle to the ellipse. Now the height of the cylinder is 30 mm. The thickness of this cylinder is 30 mm. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count the number of blocks. I'm going to add the height. It is 1, 2, and 3. Then 1, 2, and 3. Then I have 1, 2, and 3. Then I have 1, 2, and 3. So again, I'm going to draw a square of 100 mm. The same thing, whatever I have done now, the same thing we will be doing it here. Okay. Now everything is confusing. I have drawn a square block which is the bottom base. Above I have a thickness. This is my again one more square block. Now if I don't want any confusion, what I'll do is whatever is there on the new square, within the new square block, what I'll do is I'll erase everything. Just for our simplicity case and to understand and easily whatever the new square block I have done, within that I don't want any disturbance, so that it is clean and I can understand whatever I'm drawing here. So this is the new square block which I have drawn. I'm not erasing the other part. I'm erasing whatever is there within the new square block what I have drawn. Whatever I have drawn with the new square block, whatever is there inside that, I have erased only that, not the other part. Why? To draw the new part within this new circle which is being converted to the ellipse. I have drawn the bottom base now. I have to draw the top base. To draw the top base, I had some disturbances which I had already drawn. So what I'll do is I'll make the upper surface clean. Now what I'll do is I'll do the same thing what I have done till now. That is, from this corner I'm going to join the midpoint. This is the midpoint here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the midpoint. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll join the midpoints from the corner. Okay. Now again, with the help of a compass, with the corner and the radius as the new line what I have drawn, I'm going to draw the arc. Similarly, with this as a center and with this as the radius, whatever I have drawn, I'm going to draw the arc to the other side. Then with this as a center and the new line, whatever the radius, this is the radius, I'm going to draw the arc. Then with this as a center and this as the radius, I'm going to draw the arc. So again, I have drawn the upper part of the cylinder. Then I'm tangent here. I'm going to draw the tangent here. So now I have completed a cylindrical slab which has been converted. A cylinder means it will be a circle. That circle has been converted to actions. This ellipse, this is my bottom surface, and the thickness of the cylinder is 30 mm, for which I have taken. I'm not going to join this square block again. If I join these lines again, that means it is I'm drawing a square block or a cylindrical so instead of a cylindrical slab. So now, if in case if you feel that I have drawn these square blocks thicker than the cylindrical slab, even you can erase these square blocks. Okay, I just want only this cylinder. It's not necessary to erase. I'm just giving you a hint. You should not draw the line of the square thicker than the cylindrical slab. So now I think it looks like a cylindrical slab. Now above this cylindrical slab, I have a 40 mm square prism. I have a 40 mm square prism. So now, how to draw the square prism? Just check. This I'm drawing it from this end. I'm drawing it from this end. This total length is what? It is 100. This total length is 100. This total length of this is 40. That means whatever is left this side and whatever is left, how many blocks I need to leave. So out of 100, 40 has been occupied. That means total left is 60. That is 100 minus 40. That means it is 60 is left. That means 30 this side and 30 this side. I need to leave 30 this side and I need to leave 30 this side. The same way 30 here as well as 30 here. This length I'm talking about. That means if I leave 30 from this whole rectangle, what I have drawn of 100 mm, if I leave 30 from here, 30 from here, 30 from here, and 30 from here, I'll be directly getting a square of 40 mm. So the same thing I'm going to draw it here. The same thing I'm going to draw. I have a square block. From here, I'm going to leave 30. So this is my 30. Then from here, I'm going to leave 30. Then from this end, I'm going to leave 30. And from here, I'm going to leave 30. So I've got 4 corners. Then I'll join those 4 corners. Okay. The height of this is, they have given the prism of height of this prism is 50 mm. So I'm going to count 50 mm from here. So 5 blocks. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And from here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got 4 points again. I've got 4 points. I'll join those 4 corners. And then I'll join this. Okay, with this, we have completed the problem. Even if you want, you can erase whatever is there within the square prism. Whatever is there in the square prism, and these construction lines also, if you want, you can just erase it up so that it looks like only a cylinder as well as a prism, square prism. So I've erased everything almost. I have only a square prism along with a cylindrical slab.